Kathy! Oh,
What happened?
listen, I just wanted to thank you for literally the best party of all time. It was absolutely incredible. I don't care what anyone says about you. You're actually really cool. Best party ever!
No idea. It's just...
Kathy, Beth, Terry, what happened to your room?
Mom, Dad!
Why is there some lost boy in your bed?
I don't know anything. I just woke up and my solar system was off of the post.
My goodness, so irresponsible.
And what's Uncle Kenny doing on the couch?
I didn't do it. It was Rebecca. She had a party.
No, Rebecca Black is a nice girl.
Yeah, I don't think she would have started this, honey.
Why are you home so early, Terry from the convention.
Well, I got some crazy text from Uncle Kenny who said he was going to start playing the sax again.
Yeah, we had to get home right away to see what that was all
Can't
about.
let that happen.
I love you guys, but